What it do, everybody? And we are here at the Proud Bird over here by LAX.
Yeah!
We're-
Airplanes!
We're here on a pre-baby adventure. We decided to come over here to have lunch. I remember Dee had fond memories of this place back in the day where it used to be a sit-down restaurant.
Yes.
It is now more of like a food court area.
It is. It's more food court area.
More family friendly.
Family friendly. There's a lot of information. It's kind of like museum type-ish now as well.
They got planes.
Mm-hmm.
They even got like a jungle gym for the kids.
Yeah.
It's like they knew we were having a baby. They changed it all up on us. You guys will enjoy cupping hair. Oh, another plane. Well, let's go see what it do here today at Proud Bird.
Hey, what it do?
You're telling me it looks a little different than you remember.
It is different. The last time I've been here, it was like a large restaurant style. Sit down, they bring you your food. And now it's more like a food court area. And I noticed here on the wall, it did say that they redid it in 2016. That it reopens this food and bazaar area, it's called now.
It's weird, huh? Yeah, it looks more like a food court now.
Yeah, so it's
It's like the barbecue sandwiches you like, though.
Yeah, I totally want barbecue. So they have different sections. They have barbecue, they have Italian, they have American food, they have Asian food. So there's a lot of different varieties here for whatever you feel like. But I love the airplanes and everything, the fighter jets hanging from the ceiling.
That looks cool. Dog fight, dog fight, dog fight.
I wonder if it's the same with the big windows over there where you can see the planes landing at LAX.
Oh, I hope so.
So I want to check out that side and see
Yeah, because
if
we're
there's
really
any-
close to LAX. Huh?
We are, yeah.
All right, cool. Let's get some yummies.
Yummy. Restaurant.
Some B-roll of it.
And this is the big wall of all the famous pilots, even starting from the Wright brothers. Look right here, Amelia Earhart right there. So they had a lot of cool things. Look, when the shuttle flew over, people were here. See, and just like how the planes come landing right here in the view, that's how it is.
And then Proud Bird Bazar opens. So they redid it.
Yeah. See, this was what I remember. You would sit either downstairs or upstairs, and this is your view. See, outside, there's more planes parked out in the field you could look at.
I'm still kind of like excited to be here, though. I love planes and choo-choo trains.
Yeah. I feel like the outside field is smaller than what it was before.
Oh, I got the plane on Zoom. Look, check it out. Look.
Ooh.
Steady hand, steady hand.
Keep it together.
Doesn't it always impress you? Like, how do these things stay in the air? It looks like it's just like floating there, huh?
It's with magic.
He's slowing down. How is he doing it? I think it's a UFO. Whoa, it's gone. It's gone.
Aero Mexico.
Whoa, coming in hot, Mexico. Let's see how big he is. Let's see him. Oh, there he is. Whoa, Proud Bird yummies.
Yummies, yummies.
That's the one benefit of being pregnant. All the yummies you would like.
Yeah.
Look what I got. Look, I feel like you should be getting this, and I should be getting the hamburger or whatever that is.
I wanted some good barbecue. I couldn't pass up getting the barbecue brisket sandwich, side of potato salad. I will be also eating some of yours. You know, the baby's already going, I want some of that fried rice. I want to buy that orange chicken.
I think that's fair. I do anything for my baby.
Yeah.
Only my baby. Those babies out there, no. Go ahead, let's try some of this stuff.
This is kind of big.
I feel like that's
all
gonna be
the
good.
sauce. I'm gonna get dirty. Did you give me a bib?
Oh no, I got some napkins. Here, just for you.
I think.
Be careful, it's gonna not. It's gonna get
it's
everywhere.
saucy.
It's gonna hit everywhere but the napkins. Watch. The baby loves barbecue. What you saying?
So tender. You just like it just melts in your mouth. I like the bun. I don't even know what kind of bread this is. Yellow bread.
Hawaiian roll. Probably Hawaiian roll bread.
Maybe. Oh, this is really good.
Will satisfy any pregnant woman. Oh man, that's a pregnant size bite.
Save it. Tuck it back in.
My turn. I get 2 forks.
Savage.
I want to try the rice first. I always judge a Chinese food place by how their fried rice tastes. Oh, it's clumpy. It's good.
I see a lot of sesame seeds on top there.
Yeah, sesame seeds. Some, I think that's cilantro, onions. Chopped onions. Look, it's shrimp.
Oh yeah.
And pork. That's good.
Yummy.
That's good.
Ew.
And this with the orange chicken. I already know it's gonna be good. They use like red Chilean chili for this. Orange chicken sauce. Oh, we a little spicy. Yeah.
Ooh, little peppers.
It kind of reminds me of well, that was spicy. Oh wow. It kind of reminds me of King Panda. What's it called?
Panda Express.
How did I forget that? That place is called Kung Fu Panda. It's like that. It's pretty good. Oh, it's good. Be careful with the red peppers, Dean.
Okay. I'll just eat the chicken.
Ooh, it got me. Orange, I see help.
Spicy.
And well, this is pretty good. And it's a nice place to even like, I feel it's going to be a place we're going to bring our kids.
Yes.
Look at the playground out there.
The planes, the playground, they have picnic tables out there.
That's cool. I think we'll be here a lot more after we have the baby.
Yes.
Interesting places like this to bring your kid. Maybe next time we'll go to the LA Arboretum. We haven't been there in years.
Yeah.
I bet you it's way different. I bet there's probably restaurants there. We go to the Huntington Library. There's lots of places for me to you to go to take the baby to tire him out so he go to sleep.
Yes. Go run around.
I know. Oh, I love this baby when it comes.
Me too.
I feel like this baby's gonna be like all adventured out.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna take him everywhere with us. We're gonna go because we like adventures and we like going to places on the weekends. And I feel like he will like work for the weekend. He'll work all hard during the week at school. And bam, where are we going? We're going to Disneyland? Or we're going to some weird animal park? Or we're going to a dinosaur museum? Dinosaur museum. They said no touchy. Stop touching stuff. I see you. It's because you're pregnant doesn't mean you can touch everything. Oh no. What's that?
I don't know, a little glass window thing.
That's where the trolls hide.
Yeah.
So they work this. No, it's a light. It's a little window.
So this is the Army Air Force plane, it said on the sign. See, there's the Air Force logo.
Oh yeah. Well, look, the window's open. Let's go. Let's go inside.
Right?
Let's go. It's open.
Man, they were a lot smaller back then. I don't even think I could fit through there now.
Americans were a lot smaller back then.
Yeah.
Are you waving to them? They see you? Real fast, little blue blur next to the big blue blur. Look, I noticed your little blue blur.
Yeah, they
You're
will.
so cute. You're so cute. You like all the airplanes, baby? Look.
I do.
It's kind of cool in here.
It is. I noticed there's another Air Force plane. Look at the stickers underneath the window. Usually that means how many planes they've knocked down themselves.
Oh yeah, look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, it took down 3 Japanese fighter pilots.
They have
6
stickers.
Oh, 6 stickers. It's the most dangerous plane in this field.
I want to touch the propeller.
No. I said no, don't touch it. You'll hurt yourself. You gonna start it? Contact! Oh.
It makes noise.
You have to go contact.
Contact.
Contact. No, don't. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't touch stuff, man.
That's what I want.
I know you do, but no.
The paint's coming up.
I know, you did that.
You need to be so close.
The motor's in there.
Yeah.
See, without getting danger of getting your head chopped off.
Right?
Contact! That's what the paint engine looks like with its on. And that's what it looks like when it's off.
No propeller, just engine.
I know. What'd you do?
Off to the side.
Was that putting the oil in it? Or what? I know. At least they kept it though. They're still there.
Yeah.
But they just put it on a crate. Maybe they're going to put it back one day.
I don't know. It doesn't look like it'll hold. See, there's
Maybe it's too
no
heavy.
outer. Right here, there's no outer shell right here.
But the frame's still there.
Right there, but let's compare to that side. See?
Oh, yeah.
That's going to hold it in.
Well, the frame's supposed to. That's not just a shell. You know?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool though. Like they just cut everything off. They just went.
Yeah.
They just cut it all off. I just probably did it on purpose. Maybe they're gonna put that on display inside.
I'm blinking. I don't think I'm.
Oh, you weren't on. I'm sorry. I turned you off already.
I know, for the intro.
I'm sorry.
It's
I turned
okay.
you off. Okay, now that your mic's on. I know I turned it off because I hate having double
The
audio
echoes.
for the intro.
Yeah.
Yeah. They just cut this. They just cut this engine out.
Yeah.
They just cut it out just so you can see it. I guess get an up closer view.
Yeah. I think it was rotting over here. See how it's all rusty, the bolts?
You think it was about to fall off anyway?
I think it was about to.
Or it was already like swaying, like already like leaning.
It could have been having
Like, take
issue
it off.
already.
It's
But
gonna
we
ruin
want
the
it,
rest of the plane.
but still to show.
Oh, it has a lot of rocks inside. People keep putting rocks inside of it. The kids keep putting rocks inside.
Probably.
It'll never work that way. Oh, another one. Wave to them, babe. Wave to them.
I did. Look at how the old light was.
That was the
The
beacon. That was their
tiny-
old beacons.
I know. It's neat.
It was like old, like with like the filament and everything. Now we have LEDs. We don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
It's old like me.
Yeah, you're old.
Dang, Christine. I just found my favorite plane. Marge. How many Japanese fighter pilots did she take?
1,
Look.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25, 26, 27.
27.
27 planes that this one took
My new
down.
favorite. That's why look, it's in good condition.
It is.
She made it back. We salute you, Marge. Salute Marge.
And a lot of the pilots would put their own murals right here. They would
Yeah.
paint them themselves and all that.
Oh, that's probably somebody's mom.
Or his girl.
His lady.
Look at the guns
Oh.
right here.
Pew, 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 pew.
Yeah.
Like that was a sick fighter. That was a real fighter pilot. Look at that. Look, babe. You're missing it. The little location for the missile. So it just
Oh,
opens.
yeah.
It just dropped out.
No, baby, that's for the wheel to go back in.
No, I don't care. I'm saying what I say.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where it goes. Where do they put the missiles in?
I don't think these would have missiles. I think they would just shoot like
Just
Little
bullets like that?
rifle bullets. Bigger ones, but I don't think they had
They're
missiles
probably
or anything.
pretty big bullets, but not like
Oh yeah.
compared to a missile. Just old fighter pilots, yeah, like yeah, the fake tires, though. Fake tires.
This has a big opening for the bottom.
Yeah,
This one carried like big
Oh,
guns
so the
or
missiles?
missiles or bombs or
big old bombs.
something.
Oh, see, I see.
And again, it was the Air Force. See the Air Force logo at the back of the
I
tail?
like how the wheels go into this one, into the wings.
Yeah. See, they go back up, and there's a lot more room for multiple pilots.
Oh yeah,
So this could have been a bomber one.
I think it was.
Because
Call this one Bomberman.
That big old opening there.
Pretty cool. This is a newer plane. Jet. Whoa! Now it's coming in hot.
Yeah, it was. Faster.
Steel plate. Blue Angels, U.S. Navy.
It's like one of their first older
stealth
jet
planes, right?
plane. Yeah.
It was like a spy plane.
Navy Air Training Command. Right there.
They're stealth. Look at this one.
Ooh.
First aircraft to break the sound barrier. So it's like a speed plane. It's like span. Like
Wow. After the World War II, the development of rocket engines with sufficient power. Wow, that long ago. Dedicated in 1998. Here is when the Proudbird got it.
Oh yeah.
Says at the bottom there. That's really neat. The Bell
cool. You know-
X1.
Then hear those supersonic like boom by my house. That's
Yeah.
what it is. They break the sound barrier.
Yeah.
See how pointy it is?
Yeah.
Let's say no, it's fast. Because the pointier it is, the faster it is.
Uh-huh.
That's what I heard. So you know where LAX is, right?
No.
Is that one building I showed you earlier this week? Remember at the skunk works?
Oh.
The building by my house that had the skunk on it?
Oh, yeah.
LAX. That's where they built this guy.
Oh.
Super secret fighter pilot.
Wow.
So, yeah. It's America's West's first fighter combat jet.
Yeah.
I believe it. See, they didn't know back then that it has to be pointier. See?
Yeah. Well, it says it. The test pilot who later crashed on October 20th, 1944.
Look. Now Edwards Air Force Base.
Yeah.
That's where I live. I live right there.
Yeah.
Piloted by Lockheed test pilot
Yeah.
Milo Burkham.
Who later, a YP-80 crashed on October 9th,
Oh, man.
1944.
Followed. So from the development of those came this guy. This is the one that actually made it out to actual testing and actual, like, you know, actual work.
Yeah.
Defend America. Right over there with Marge. There it is, D, and it's Glory Day.
This is what I remember the last time I came out. A lot of grass, a lot of fences, a lot of bigger planes outside.
Well, the drought kind of killed the grass thing, but
That's true. And then, you know, for being outside, they rot, they
in the
don't...
sun, the California sun.
Yeah, they get damaged
Another one
more.
bad.
Then they got to rotate them out.
OG staff. Like, OG staff.
Yeah.
Maybe they said he bought it. It's still good though.
It is.
It's so fun. It's so cool to be in here. I see it had more grass. See,
Yeah, they had more grass in the fences, so you had to stay on the path.
but the
Now-
parking lot was there. I did the parking lot in the shot.
But there were no cars in there.
Yeah, but now
Yeah.
they used it then.
Yeah, they use it now.
That's what shuttle is that? Is that the one that's in the museum?
Yeah. At the National Science Museum.
Yeah, they brought it in the back of another jet, huh?
Yeah, it was escorted by 2 jets.
That was a big day.
It was. It flew all over the country.
Oh, that well, it came all the way over here.
Yeah.
It flew there, and then it flew to Edwards, and then it flew from Edwards to there to LAX, and they had to figure out how to get to the museum. The story of SpaceX. It's Carissa. Carissa would love to see all this stuff. Elon Musk. Making human life multi-planetary. That's his choice. He's like Scrooge McDuck, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when he was young too. Like that's an old picture because he doesn't look that young anymore. The first private spacecraft to reach the International Space Station, and the first rocket booster to successfully land back on Earth after carrying a payload to orbit. Ooh, because it's reusable rocket. That's what makes a difference. A reusable rocket.
Yeah.
You know, most rockets we used back in the day at NASA were just throwaways.
Yeah.
I can't wait till we go to vacation to Mars. Like Total Recall. Get your ass to Mars.
I need my multi-pass.
Oh no, that's a different movie.
Oh well.
What'd you say?
Wedding reception?
Let's go downstairs. Maybe don't tell me. I don't have it in the airplane location.
This is cool. I wouldn't mind.
Can I have a DJ here?
Yeah.
Airplane. Airplane. I'm down.
This would be nice.
You have a baby shower here too. And we are done. Oh, that was fun.
Yes.
That was yummy food and pretty cool plane we saw here today.
Yes, it has changed a lot. It's still great. Family friendly now.
It's mostly family friendly, right?
Yeah, it is.
I know it's like they knew like when you came, it was more like a sit down restaurant. It was more like adulty,
Yeah.
and now it's kidulty.
Yeah, it is.
And now it's ready for you to bring your kid down.
Come on down. Check out the Proud Bird over here by LAX.
I know it's right across the street. So if you're like, you have a delay, you come over here, you come to the Proud Bird.
Yeah.
Waste some time. But if it's your first time checking out D&Me and KIDULT TV, Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to me and KIDULT TV. Get you notified. Hit that bell whenever we post a new video.
Yeah.
But from DSB and KIDULT TV and the baby.
Yeah, baby.
Say bye, baby.
Bye.
And we'll see you guys all on the next theme park vlog. What it do, guys?